here is Priceless. Thanks again with another video for you. And for this, we titled it How to Remove Your Picture Background in Just 4 Minutes. Yeah, in just 4 minutes. We are going to use an internet access of Chrome. We are using Chrome preferable. You can use the Firefox and the others, but Chrome is recommended. So in the Chrome environment, just type removebg.com. Remove.bg, sorry. www.remove.bg. Let's allow the page to load. So here is the environment of the website. You can see it. Here is the environment of the website. So we upload our image here. Drop the file. You can see the file. This is an unfinished work. So when you upload the file, you just edit it. You can see where to edit the file. It's loading. The image is loading. You can see it. So there are some steps you can take. If you want to blur the current image background, just be careful. Let's allow the image to load, please. You can see the current image background, where we make it bright and where we make it blue. And we have other backgrounds from the website. You can see them. You can see. So you just choose any one that you like. That will fit into the picture will fit into it. You can see it. And if you are not satisfied with the current background from the website, you can select a photo from your library, that's from your file. You can select a photo from your file, or before then, we can also choose a color. So let's choose a color and see. You can see colors here. We have the green, the blue, the yellow, the pink, and even black. So you choose the one that your pictures fit into it. So here we go back to where we want to select our image for the background. So you select photo from your library, that's from your file. So let's choose this. It's loading. Wow, that is all. And then you download it. Just download it. You can see that is all. In just 4 minutes, you've changed your picture background rather than going to the studio and spending some money. So let's check what we've done. The image is, you can see everything is done. So in just 4 minutes, you can change your picture background. So you can give this video a thumb up. If you don't like it, give it a thumb down, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bar for more videos. Thank you.